this summer school is to train and to motivate and inspire the students, which we consider the next climate change innovators.
We don't only want that people are caring about the environment, we also want them to take action. And this is what the journey is all about, take action.
To get out of university, to be in a different setting as well, and also to be with a lot of different students from very different careers. And so it's really about bringing all the knowledge together.
Going abroad and seeing how things are done in different places, different cultures, so it sort of brings together a lot of different aspects that are traditional barriers to actually taking the step and getting involved in entrepreneurship initiatives. So yeah, really tackling those barriers has been a great opportunity.
For me, failures is the thing that's more inspiring than success, because you're able to associate your experiences with failure kind of easier than, you feel connected to it.
At the end of the day, when you build a strong team, you're able to develop a technology or some sort of solution that is going to solve a big problem in the world. And so if we all collaborate, we all understand what is our role in the community, and we build these insane products or insane solutions, people are going to follow. So just follow your heart.
They explain us their ideas, even though they're very at the beginning, at the first stage still, but then we give them some feedback and we tell them where they could improve and how they could move and how to focus on their strategies and possible clients.
Having that exposure to really the people in the top level of the startup world who have really got a lot of experience under their belt. Yeah. It's great to be able to ask them questions.
Yeah, I agree. We really get a lot of concrete ideas from them.
Yeah.
We are close to nature, we're green, we're eco-friendly. That's our thing. So how about you? What's your project?
Well, my product is about, we want to connect young professionals and students that want to invest in renewable energies, but they don't even have a roof or a balcony to put them on. So we're going to be the platform. They can invest money to certain projects that are based maybe in the south of Europe where there's a lot of sun, and where solar energy is created in a more efficiently.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
When they come here to Valencia, we try to transform all these ideas that they have into business opportunities. So they need to acquire a new mindset, and they need to think in customer segments that have a problem.
We have to convince founders, customers, beneficiaries, and how to measure things that are not really easy to measure. So we have gone through how to measure social impact.
Mainly I try to make them understand that there has to be a market orientation, that the king is the customer, and they have to be really good with external analysis and with their internal analysis to make coherent decisions.
I'm Yasine and this is Laura, and we are co-founders of Seagreen, and we want to exploit the potential of seaweed making biofuels from it. So what do we actually do? We are a trading company, and we will be the chain between the biorefineries making biofuels from seaweed and the end consumer.
I have seen them 1 week ago on Friday, and they were a little bit doubtful, and they had a lot of things to develop. And I think today most of them has done a really, really great pitch. What do you think?
I thought that what stands out for me is the quality of the potential of the business ideas.